Okay guys, I'm going to talk to you about something that's really cool. I'm a little bit rusty on this presentation because I haven't done it in several months, the presentation. I constantly do what's behind this. But I may be going, and then going back to some things. So this may be a little bit scattered, but I'm going to pull it all together at the end. What are resale rights products and what are your options with them? Flat out resale rights. That means you come, you buy my product, and you have the right to resell it and keep 100% of the profits. You do not have the right to pass on the rights to that product. Then you have master resell rights. This is where you get the product and you and everybody and their brother can sell the product for 100% profits. Then you have PLR, which is private label rights. When you get a private label rights product, you can basically do anything you want with it. With all three of these, no matter which ones you buy, they should come with a license. If they do not come with a license, contact the owner of it and ask them what their license policy is, meaning what can I do with your product. Make them send you a document for it. Do not just guess. People online get really upset when you do something with their product that they didn't want you to do. Okay? So if in doubt, ask the product owner. Oh, I forgot about PLR resale rights. When you get PLR resale rights, that means that you can sell the private label rights to others. Making the money is what you can do with these products, with the PLR products, is take them, spin them, and when I say spin, that includes getting new graphics. You will want the whole little template with the little header, the little footer, the product image. You then take the old sales letter, copy and paste it out of the original, and put it in your new one. That right there, it's like getting a paint job on a stolen car and scratching the VIN numbers off, okay? You can take a product that was previously out there and spin it into something new. Now with PLR stuff, I always change up the content. Always. I never just copy and paste PLR and go, here's a new product. That to me is not ethically right. You have your own opinions. Because I'm representing it as a brand new product and it's not. MyOriginalEproducts.com. This site and I, love-hate relationship. I love to hate this site. This is my baby. It was like my second product. I have had it as a membership site where I would take PLR. At first, I was creating them from scratch, and a lot of them I still create from scratch. But what we're doing now is taking PLR content, spinning it, adding to it, maybe taking several types of PLR products, making a package out of it, and we have a package of products that comes out every month. I have members that pay me monthly. Right now I have about 600 members at $19.99 a month with just this one. Of course, affiliates get a lot of commission on this. I have a back end, all that stuff. But you could be doing the same thing, the exact same thing. This is an entire business model of itself. You could set up your own resale rights membership, go out there, find PLR, spin it, new graphics, new everything, and each month come out with a package of your own products. 600 members a month times $19.99. Can somebody tell me how much money I'm making a month on that site? $12,000? Thank you.
Damn, she's good.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so I'm making $12,000 a month off that site. And is what I do is I have a girlfriend of mine. I pay her $100 a product. There's 5 products that come out a month. I spend $100 on her to take the product. I find the PLR product. I order the graphics, and then I zip it up and I send it to her. And I'm like, okay, Jen, you need to go through this, change some of the content, go find some related PLR. Maybe there's some audios that she can put with it, or maybe some videos. And we'll turn it into a totally new product. I pay her $100 a product. So $500 a month is my expense there, plus the graphics. 5 times 50, that'd be 250. So now we're up to 350 compared to $12,000. Of course, my affiliates get like 70% of that, but I'm still making a few grand a month doing nothing. She goes in, updates the site and everything for me. But it has been a membership site. I have also used this site to launch big packages. As what we did is we took and put like, I think it was 30 resale rights products, a brand new package of resale rights products. And it may be less than that, more than I can't remember. I've done this several times. Offered them for $47. The time offer was an additional 10 for $27. I made bank with that. I can't remember numbers. And just profits, it was around the $50,000 mark. Big, huge launch, orchestrated, that type of thing. Not as big as anything Jeff has done, though. I refuse to do anything as big as Jeff has done because that's too much work. Way too much work. But that's why I have $50,000 launches and Jeff gets the $1 million ones. What are these products also give me ongoing autopilot branding, list building, profit, and affiliate income. Every master resale rights product I put out there has me in it. Product by Liz Tomey. When you open up my master resale rights products, there's always an ad at the top. Come join my list. When you read through the product, or you're watching the videos or the audios or whatever it is, my affiliate links are all in it. There's also links. I have an About the Author page that goes in every product. If you guys have ever seen my master resale rights, there's always an About the Author page. A picture of me, about the author, Liz Tomey, blah, 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 blah. Here's her websites. She lives in Gates with her husband and 300 kids, okay? That's in every single product. And it's totally autopilot. I now have 160 little salesmen with little signs that say, this is Liz Tomey's product, here's her affiliate links, click on them and buy, and here's the rest of her products. And that's basically what it is. I have 160 something of these little salesmen that run around with this sign, okay? My new baby is bigresellrights.com. We're currently building that in a coaching program that I'm doing. It's not quite ready yet. We have one package of products that we're doing as a one-off package, meaning we're going to orchestrate a launch behind it. We're going to promote that package, and there's going to be a one-time offer. As what I'm also doing there is the front of it is going to be a squeeze page where I'm going to give away 5 or 6 products. Give me your name and email address, and you can have these 5 or 6 products for free. The OTO is a package of products. Is that going to convert? Oh, yes. Resale rights buyers are rabid. They will... It's like a shark pool. They really get into these resale rights products because of the profit behind them. If you can find a really good resale rights product, go get a domain name for it, set it up, start driving traffic to it, you're going to make 100% of the income. Resale rights products were part of my $10,000 paycheck this week. Okay? Niche success. Remember when I was telling you guys about the whole We product? I have that little Wii membership site where people can join. They get like tips on different Wii games. There's a little forum in there where all the little people hang out that play Nintendo Wii. And we have the Wii Fit team. It's basically a bunch of chunky people that want to become skinny using their Wii. So it's what we did there is we took and we made tons of different master resale rights products, put our link to our Wii community, and everybody is passing these books around. And like I said, it's that, throw enough crap against the wall, see what sticks. I've got some of that sticking, and they're coming and they're joining my membership site for $4.95 a month, and I'm making money. Following the path. What can master resale rights do for your business? Branding. I told you guys about branding. Where do you think you guys would be right now if you had 160 products out there that were everybody's bonuses, that were jam-packed in membership sites everywhere? The Unselfish Marketer. I don't know if you guys know about the Unselfish Marketer or not. Huge membership site. all my products are in that thing. And Jeff's sites, all my products are in there. People take my resell rights products and make packages of them and sell them themselves. They put them on their own domain names. Now, not only do I have 160 little salesmen with their signs, but now I have thousands of people who are providing a home for my little salesmen. Now my 160 salesmen have gone to 160 thousands of people of where they're at, okay? Because thousands of people have homes for these little salesmen. They're viral. I get clickbank checks all the time that I have no idea where they've come from. No clue. And my son is I call him the mail Nazi, because he's the only one that's allowed to check the mail. Because he knows that there's checks in there. And he wants to open them and see how much mommy's made. He's only 7 years old and he's already obsessed with money. I don't know where he gets that from. They also build my list. Totally build my list. I know a lot of a lot of my new subscribers are coming from a little project that I'm doing with Jeff. But even before that, I was getting 40 and 50 subscribers a day through my resell rights products. The only place they could be coming from. I'm not doing any other advertising. Profit. All of them have links to my products. You could be doing the same way. You can be doing the same things. Affiliate income. Again, the whole viral stuff. That's why my son loves to check the mail. There might be a clickbank check. Son, they only come every 2 weeks, but it might be here today. And he races me to the mailbox because he sees that I'm excited about it. So, of course, he's excited about it. And if I'm excited, I'm making money. Okay, so I think that goes into my pitch. Let me make sure here. Okay, here's some proof of this stuff working. This is all the way back to 06. 1 week, $16,000. We've got $2,000 1 week. Got $2,700 1 week. $8,500, $9,700, $14,000, $44,000, $9,000, $1,100, $570, $1,200. Go to 2007. I'm still making money with these products. $7,000, $1,500. This is when I turned it into this was packages, I believe. And then I think we're back to monthly. Here we go. Now we're back to monthly. $7,000 in January. December, $16,000. November, $9,000. August, $9,000. June, $10,000. Then we go to 2008. I don't think I have anything current on here. But you see what I was doing in 2008? See how this is all growing virally? Because not only do these products have all my links in them, but they also have a link back to my original eproducts.com, which is where all these things are birthed from. And then they come and they get on that membership there for my original eProducts so that they can get my products and they can go pass them out. It's a great big mamma jamma swine flu at my original eProducts. It's very viral. Oh, no, okay, this isn't the, let me go back here then. Sorry, guys. Your Holy Grail. Are you ready to make some money? Do you want to learn a blueprint for fast cash, for recurring cash, one for pulling cash out of any niche you want, and what about big fat paychecks here? And I showed you all the money fun. So the blueprint number 1, the package process. First, you got to find a PLR product. You've then got to spin the product. And then, once you have a product all totally ready to go, you need to get a couple of those. And if you don't have a list, you have no way of driving traffic, go join the Warrior Forum. It's now paid to be a Warrior member. You have to pay, I can't remember if it's $37. And then you go in, you have to make, if you don't have a Warrior account, you have to have an account for 30 days and make at least 30 posts or 50 posts now.
The higher.
Is it higher now? They keep changing the rules. It's the Warrior Forum. It's like the weather in Indiana. It changes every 5 minutes. So you got to just read the rules there. But you have to have a bunch of posts and all that just because people were abusing the Warrior special offers. You can go there. You can post basically a sales letter just like you would. Go to my original eProducts. Take a look at my sales letter. Go to Big Resell Rights. Look at the packages I have there.